What's up, guys? This is Linus, the Taiwanese who teach you Chinese online. Welcome back to Chinese Song Learning. Today's song is 小姐,这是我的名片 Miss, this is my business card, sung by Wu Zongxian, Jackie Wu. Jackie Wu is one of the most famous TV show hosts in Taiwan, and he used to be a singer. Before watching my song interpretation, it would be even more helpful if you click the link in the descriptions and watch the original music video first. Alright, let's get it rolling.
今天晚上我走在东区搜狗前面。
今天晚上我走在东区搜狗前面。今天 today, 晚上 night. Therefore, 今天晚上 means tonight. 我 I 走 to walk. 在 is a preposition we place before a location or a place. 东区 is East District in Taipei. Sogo is a department store. 前面 in front of. Tonight, I'm walking in front of the Sogo department store in East District.
看到很多辣妹走在我的身边。
看到很多辣妹走在我的身边。看 means to look. 到 means to reach, to arrive. Therefore, 看到 means to look and the vision reaches on something, somebody. 很多 many, a lot of. 辣 means to be spicy, figure to be hot. 妹 means girl, cheek. 辣妹 hot cheek. So to walk. 在 a preposition before a place or a location. 我的 my 身 means body. 边 means side. 身边 means beside me, next to me, around me. I see a lot of hot chicks walking around me.
但却没看我一眼。
但却没看我一眼。但 but 却 however 没 didn't 看 to look 我 I 一 means one 眼 means eye 一眼 together means a glance, a glimpse, a quick look. However, they didn't even give me a glance.
我的眼睛总是在他们的身上转呀转。
我的眼睛总是在他们身上转啊转。我的 my 眼睛 eyes 总是 always 在他们的身上。他们的 means their. 身 means body. 上 means on their bodies. 转 means to spin, to turn around. 转啊转 means to spin and spin. My eyes are always on their bodies with my eyes spinning and spinning in order to see their body shape from head to toe.
我的脚步也一步步向他们接近。
我的脚步也一步步向他们接近。我的 my 脚步 footstep, footwork 也 also 一步步 means step by step 向 towards 他们 them 接近 means to approach, to get close to. My footwork is also approaching them step by step.
小姐，小姐，这是我的名片。
小姐，小姐，这是我的名片。小姐 miss 这是 this is 我的 my 名 means name 片 means card 名片 is a card with your name on it, which is business card. Miss, this is my business card.
终于鼓起勇气向他表白我的心意。
终于鼓起勇气向他表白我的心意。 终于 eventually, finally. 鼓 as a noun, it means drum. As a verb, it means to swell. 起 means to get up. 鼓起 means to swell up. 勇气 courage. If you 鼓起勇气, you need to swell up your chest to make you look brave. Altogether, 鼓起勇气 means to pick up your courage. 向 towards 他 her. 表白 means to reveal one's thoughts or feelings. 我的 my. 心意 means kindly feelings, but here it specifically indicates romantic feelings. I finally get my courage up to reveal my feelings towards her.
他对我总是不理不睬，继续讲着他的大哥大。
他对我总是不理不睬，继续讲着他的大哥大。他 she 对我 to me 总是 always。不理不睬 is a proverb. 不 not 理 to take notice of. 睬 to react. If you don't take notice and don't react, you completely ignore someone. 继续 to continue. 讲 to talk, to speak. 这 progressive to be talking, to be speaking. 他的 her 大哥大 is an outdated way to call cell phone. Right now we call it 手机 more often. 讲电话讲手机讲大哥大 they all mean to talk on the phone. She always ignores me completely and keeps talking on the phone.
随着时间一分一秒的过去，
随着时间一分一秒的过去，随 to follow 随着 to be following 时间 time 一分 1 minute 一秒 1 second 一分一秒的 means minute by minute and second by second 过去 to go over to pass by to go by we are following the time which goes by minute and second by second. To make it sure, we can also translate it as time goes by minute by minute and second by second.
但他始终没正眼看过我一次。
但他始终没正眼看过我一次。但 but 他 she 始 means beginning, 终 means end. 始终 means from beginning to end. 没 didn't. 正 means to be upright, to be straight. 眼 means eye. 正眼 means to look at me straight. 看 to look. 过 means experience. 一次 once. 次 is a magic word for verbs. But she didn't even look straight in my face from beginning to end.
小姐，小姐，这是我的名片。小姐，小姐，这是我的名片。嗨呀，小姐，小姐，不帅的人比较安全。
小姐，小姐。不帅的人比较安全。不帅 means to be not handsome. 人 people. 比较 as a verb, it means to compare. As an adverb, it means relatively. 安全 to be safe, to be secure. In Chinese, if we say anyone who is 安全, that means that person tend not to cheat in a relationship because they might not be too attractive. Miss, not handsome people are relatively safe.
小姐，小姐，做个朋友不要拒绝。
小姐，小姐，做个朋友不要拒绝。做个朋友 means to be friends, to make friends. You can say 做朋友 or 做个朋友。不要 please don't. 拒绝 to reject. Miss, let's be friends and don't reject me.
小姐，小姐，今夜请和我干一杯。
小姐，小姐，今夜请和我干一杯。今 is 今 from 今天，夜 means night. Therefore, 今夜 also means tonight. 请 please 和我 and me. But here we would translate 和 as with. 干 to be dry, to make it dry. 一杯 a glass. 干一杯 or 干杯 means to get a glass dry, which means bottoms up. Miss, tonight please drink with me.
小姐，小姐，今夜让我们来喝醉，喝醉。
小姐，小姐，今夜让我们来喝醉，喝醉。让 to let, 我们 we like that come to do something. 喝 to drink, 醉 to be drunk. 喝醉 is a verb result form, to drink and get drunk. Miss, tonight, that is drink and get drunk. Drink and get drunk. The following lyrics are all repeating, so we just stop here. As always, highlighted words are down below. Feel free to ask me any questions. Hope you learned something today, and I will see you next time. Bye!